Which e-paper tablet should be on your desk? The Supernote A5 X2 Manta or the Onyx Boox Go 10.3? We're not here for opinions. This is a no-nonsense, research-driven breakdown, purely based on technical specs. We'll dissect everything so you can decide which one's worth your investment. Let's dive in. Let's start with the price. The Boox Go 10.3 launched in June 2024 at $379.99, and that includes a stylus and a magnetic sleep case, though the bundle may vary if you're buying from a third-party seller. On the other hand, the Supernote A5 X2 Manta costs $459, but when you add its pen and folio, you're looking at a total of $607. When it comes to build quality, both devices opt for plastic, but the Boox Go 10.3 steps it up with aluminum edges for a more premium feel. Its textured faux leather-like back adds grip, while the A5 X2 keeps it simple but sturdy. Both are lightweight and minimalist, so no complaints there. The Boox Go 10.3 features, as the name suggests, a 10.3-inch e-ink Carta 1200 display, which focuses on faster response times and better contrast. While it's a generation behind the Carta 1300 tech seen in newer Kindles, the difference in quality isn't groundbreaking. The Supernote A5 X2 Manta, on the other hand, uses a 10.7-inch Mobius Carta flexible e-ink screen. It offers more durability, but touch sensitivity could be better. Both feature 300 ppi displays with higher resolutions. Unfortunately, neither tablet includes front lighting, so they're not great for late-night reading. Battery life is neck and neck, 3,700 mAh for the Boox Go versus 3,600 mAh for the A5 X2. However, the Boox Go includes a speaker and microphone, which might drain its battery faster. The A5 X2 skips both, but compensates with expandable storage up to 2 TB via an SD card. It comes with 32 gigs of built-in storage, while the Boox Go sticks to 64 gigs of internal storage with no expansion slot. Under the hood, the Boox Go has a Snapdragon 680 processor paired with Android 12. This means you can download any note-taking app from the Google Play Store, and the 4 gigs of RAM keeps everything running smoothly. It's perfect for those who want versatility. Meanwhile, the A5 X2 runs on a simpler RK3566 chip with a closed Android 11-based system. It doesn't support the Play Store, but allows limited third-party app installations. It's less powerful but sufficient for focused note-taking and productivity tasks. Even this one comes with 4 gigs of RAM. Now let's talk about what makes these tablets unique. The A5 X2 boasts a modular design, think replaceable battery and motherboard for longevity. It also includes advanced note organization tools and a ceramic nib that never needs replacing. The Boox Go leans into innovation with its Naviball feature, offering 30 configurable functions and smart scribe technology for precision writing. Plus, you get app-specific refresh rate customization and 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity for the stylus. So, which tablet wins? The Boox Go 10.3 is a multitasking powerhouse with a full Android 12 ecosystem, perfect for those who want flexibility and extra features. Meanwhile, the Supernote A5 X2 Manta shines with its sustainable design and specialized note-taking tools, ideal for users who prioritize longevity and focus. Which one suits your needs? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.